Hello traders. Today we are looking at the ME angle 2 indicator from MetaTrader 4, and I'll show you how this moving average slope measurement tool works on your charts. At this point, I'll go ahead and load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, but allow the allow imports, and there we have it. On the chart, the ME angle 2 indicator appears in a separate window displaying the calculated angle or slope of a selected moving average. The output is typically shown as a histogram or line that fluctuates above and below zero. Positive values indicate an upward sloping moving average, while negative values indicate a downward slope. Steeper angles suggest stronger directional momentum. Alright, as for the settings, let's see what we have at the inputs. The settings generally include the moving average period, the type of moving average, and the angle calculation method. You may also find options for threshold levels that categorize the angle into different trend zones, as well as color customization and alert settings. Right, so who's this indicator for? This indicator is designed for trend traders on MetaTrader 4 who want a quantitative assessment of moving average direction and slope steepness. It is a visual and analytical tool only and does not execute trades. Moving average angles can change rapidly during volatile conditions, and a steep angle does not guarantee trend continuation. Always use additional confirmation. That's going to wrap up today's video. If you'd like to download this indicator or learn more about it, I've left a link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future content. I'll see you in the next one.